So into our previous video, we have already seen the different service providers into the market. Now here the question is, why we are going to use your Azure? So these are the reasons. Very first, it has a greater share in the market. As it is provided by the Microsoft, many of the organizations does this particular service and move into it. The next is the highest server capacity. As compared to your other service provider, the servers we generally have into your Azure has a huge capacity. So you can create a huge infrastructure and a data center by using this particular Azure service infrastructures. Next is pay as you use. As discussed, the services, the resources, the applications which you are going to use, you have to only pay for those particular services. Once you release the service, once you release the particular resources, you no more have to pay for those. So this is the advantages generally we have of using your Azure. And as we know, it has a good share in the market. You have a good job opportunities as well as the future in this particular Azure. So here we have seen about your Azure. Into next video, I am coming up with your products and services provided by your Azure.